Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Contrecoeur, Quebec, is a lovely riverside town located along the St. Lawrence River, about 60 kilometers northeast of Montreal. Contrecoeur is known for its peaceful atmosphere, scenic waterfront, and rich history that dates back to the early days of Quebec. Contrecoeur was founded in the late 17th century and named after Antoine Picotti de Contrecoeur, a French military officer who was granted land here in 1672. Over the years, it grew from a small settlement into the welcoming town it is today. Because of its location on the river, Contrecoeur has long been connected to trade and industry, especially in shipping and steel. The town's port and industrial history are still a big part of its identity. For nature lovers, the St. Lawrence River offers beautiful views and plenty of outdoor activities. You'll find parks, bike paths, and walking trails along the riverbank, perfect for a relaxing day out. Parc de la Presqu'île is a popular spot where you can enjoy picnics, see the water, or go for a peaceful stroll. The town's location along the river also makes it a great spot for birdwatching, especially in the spring and fall when migratory birds are passing through. So whether you're here to enjoy the river, explore the local history, or just experience a peaceful side of Quebec, Contrecoeur has something for everyone.